In this video, you'll learn how to delete your Webull account. If you've decided it's time to part ways with Webull, I'm here to guide you through the process, step by step. Let's dive right in. First, open the Webull app on your mobile device and sign into your account. Once you're in, look for the menu icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen and give it a tap. This will open up a range of options for you to explore. Next, head over to Settings, which you'll find under the Shortcuts section. This is where you'll manage various aspects of your account. Once you're in the settings, select Account and Security. This section is crucial as it houses the option to delete your account. Scroll down until you see Delete Account. It's important to note that before proceeding any further, you should ensure that you've withdrawn all funds from your account and canceled any active Webull subscriptions. This step is vital to avoid any complications during the deletion process. After you've taken care of that, tap Continue to Delete Account. You'll be prompted to authorize Webull to delete your account data. At this point, you'll need to enter your account password to confirm your request. This step secures the process, ensuring that it's actually you who wants to delete the account. Once confirmed, your account deletion request will be submitted, and just like that, you'll be on your way to saying goodbye to Webull. If you prefer using a desktop, deleting your account from the Webull website is also an option. Simply open your profile menu, select My Account, then navigate to Account Management and choose Delete Account. The steps are quite similar to the app, offering you flexibility depending on your preferred device. And there you have it. That's how to delete your Webull account. Following these steps should help you smoothly navigate the process, whether you choose to do it through the app or the website. If you have any funds left or active subscriptions, make sure to handle those first to ensure a seamless transition. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below.